All right, my name is Anthony, and today I'm going to be doing a low taper on my client George. We're also going to blend that into his beard. We're going to detail around his ears and hairline. We're going to taper his nape. We're going to clean up his neckline, and he'll be finished from there. So what I did here was use an adjustable clipper with no guard to set my initial guideline. I fluctuated from all the way open, halfway, and then closed. I did that using a half guard, a 1, a 1.5, and a 2 to blend it into the interior of the hair. And I repeated that process in the nape as well as on the left side of the head. All right, so for detail and finish, we use the trimmer, beginning in the center and making our way to the right side of the head, around the temple, and around the back of the nape. And then we continued on the left side of the nape, around the ear, and then we moved to the center of the hairline, to the left side, and around the temple again to finish. And then we use a straight edge razor to detail the hairline. I'm going to use American Crew Pomade using a small dosage. I'll emulsify it and apply it evenly into the hair, smooth in the sides, smooth in the back. And this is our final look, a low taper on our client George with a detailed and finished hairline.